Here we are again, question 9, coming from Narmin. And her question is, what is the recommended level for PBL? Now, to answer this question, I will need to go back to background design. It's all about setting goals. Thinking of goals or target language or target competencies and skills to achieve with the students with a certain project that are achievable for those specific students. You know your students, you know your classrooms, you know what they are capable of doing. So plan projects with goals in mind that you know that they will be able to achieve. Maybe the worry might come in the inquiry stage because you might think that the students might not have the required language, maybe to do a lot of reading. Now, don't forget that you can get answers, or the students can get answers to their questions, not only by reading, but also by inviting experts, guests to the classroom that can explain whatever topic or can answer whatever question in a very simple graded language. Also experiments, a lot of hands-on activities that you can do with younger students. And of course, field trips. The students can go to a park, can go to a zoo, can go to the community and look for answers to the questions that they might have. Maybe the worried is that presentation stage in where the students have to tell others, have to tell the audience about what they've done. Again, here at an A1 level can be a celebration of what they have done with a showing of the products they have created as final products to the parents. So here the teacher might be doing the presentation, but the students might be able to introduce this teacher, might be proposing a toast to celebrate the achieved goals. At an A2 level, they can give a well-rehearsed presentation, maybe a presentation that you put together with all the students and then you took time to rehearse with them. And then moving on to the different levels, B1, B2, they can give more clear presentations to a C1, C2 level in where they can give spontaneous presentations and also be able to hold some questions and answers discussions to the audience. So again, everything goes back to what we were talking about with background planning. Identify the goals. What can you what do you expect from your students? You know the level, you know what they can do, you know the things that with some help, with some tutoring, some scaffolding activities, the students will be able to achieve. So I don't think that PBL is just for a certain level of English. I think that it can be for anyone. You just need to bear in mind objectives, set up very clear objectives, especially when it comes to language development, because it can be a big barrier if it is not planned correctly. So hope that this had answered your question.